Hi guys, it's Zuri with us. So today I got a 5 surprise from Walmart, and it's not just the regular ones, it's the unicorn squad one. I can't wait to see what I get. So let's open it. So it should have like a zipper right there. What's this? Just peel it. Where's this? Okay. I have opened the regular one before, but this is my first time opening the unicorn squad one. Okay. It has a wrapper on it. There should be like another zipper. Okay, so I got it all. It's all unwrapped. All we need to do is take that out. So that's it. Just look at it bloom. Watch. Oh, there's even a giant one. I'm guessing this one right here is a unicorn one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm guessing that there's like 2 in here. Okay, so what's this? To the side. Oh, these are all the things you can get. So there's like all kinds of unicorn. I'm really hoping to get that one right there. That one's really cute. Look at this. It says it even has unicorn poop, so. I'm hoping to get that one right there. So let's open. Okay, the first one I'm gonna open is this one. Oh, the little shoes. There's 4 shoes. Let's see if there's any matches like for their shoes to here. Yeah, I think I got that one right there. Oh, but it's so cute. Oh wow, it even has glasses. Let's see if I can fit one eye. Okay, next we're gonna open this side. Put this side so they won't get lost when I'm opening. Oh, they really do have poop, whatever. What is it called? Unicorn poop. Let's open the unicorn poop. Oh, it's yellow too. Oh, it's hard to get out. It is really hard to get out. It's a pretty yellow. It's so soft. I think I want this now. I want more of these. Oh, it smells, what does it smell like? It smells like lemon. Okay, next thing. Let's put that back on this container. Well, they should have a cap for it, just in case, like. Okay, what am I gonna do that? Okay. We're gonna open the last little surprise. Where's the, oh, right here. I think this one is the unicorn. Oh! I got hair bows. I got more hair bows, and I got a press. Does she have that stuff? Yeah, she has all that stuff. It says there's a bracelet to it, but I don't see the bracelet. All I know is I got that one. Yeah. I'm happy with it. Okay. I got four bowls. One is orange, one is purple, one is light blue, and one is pink. Pink is my favorite color. Oh, and then we got this little hairbrush. It's yellow like this, and like her glasses. Yellow squad. Okay, let's peek it. I can't see nothing. Last but not least, it's the unicorn, I think. That's open it. I'm so happy to open this. Okay. Oh my god! I got my unicorn. It's apart. Oh, it's so tiny. I did get that one. Oh, it's already on her neck. That's why. Well, necklace is already on her neck. Look at her tail. It's, if you guys can't see it, it's orange and pink. I still need to put her head on. Her back of her head. Oh, look at these two buttons she got. This is so cute. Just, yeah, put her ears through. Where's the other ear hole? How do you put this on? I don't know how to put this on, guys. This is hard. I don't know how to put this on, guys. So the yellow, it says yellow on here, but this is orange. It's okay. They lied to me, but it's okay. So it's supposed to go like this, they say. I could not put this on right now for some reason. We need two little holes right there. This is hard to put on. I didn't know it was this hard to put on. I thought you just slip it in. But I guess that's not how it works. Because I cannot put this on for some reason. Wait, you slip this in there. Maybe if I like attach to that. Does it go this way? I think it goes this way. Oh. But it looks so cute and I want to put it on already, but it's not working. It's not working. I don't know if it would be this hard. I thought it was just going to be easy. I know what to do. I guess I just keep trying until I get it. Okay, let's see. Let's maybe like slide that in right there. Slide this in right there. Definitely not. Let's see how the picture is. Okay, right there. Well, I think I'm doing it straight up wrong. I think I get it now. One of these go in the horns, and then two of these, but there's not two holes. There's only, there should be three, I think. Put that in there. Okay, this is so hard, guys. Where's the other hole? There. It's on this side. Instead of that side this time. It's not going in. Okay, let's look at the pic. Oh my god. What's that? What is this? This is her leg. There you go. Pop back on. Let's try this again. Okay. Maybe yeah, think. ding. Ding, 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 ding. Did I get it? Did I get it? This is just supposed to slip out of there. Her ears are barely shut. I think I got it. I think I got it. I'm sorry guys for the wait. It was just really hard. I got her hair on. She looks so cute. It kind of looks like mine, but hers are in like this little bundle. So now we're gonna put all her accessories on. So first let's put on her glasses. Let's see if they even go like how they do this. They just put it behind her hair, I guess. What's so cute on her? Her glasses on. Yep. Her brush hair. Hers a little tangled here. Let's lift you up. That's to brush your tail. To brush your lovely tail. She has so string. When I get braids, I chose to go with the color pink. So yeah. We're gonna be twinsies. Her tail is so small. But she's small. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is her glasses are not staying on. So I'll just take them. Okay, we're gonna put her shoes on. Did this even go here? No. It looks so cute. How is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be a switch up, like I get it. Okay. Look at her shoes, guys. I don't know what these accessories are for. I guess you could just put them on her hair. So we're just gonna put the pink one on her hair. Let's see how this works. Okay. Alright, probably rock right there. I thought, oh, it was just cute. And then the one right here. Perfect. This looks so cute. Okay. Let's brush her hair a little more so she can be tangled free. Okay. I'm just gonna put her glasses on now. I have to put these glasses on. I'm just gonna lay her down right there. We're gonna get our putty. I'll put this away. I'm gonna put that on here. I knew this was so hard to get out. I should have never put it back in. Put some right there. It smells so good. Got some on my nose. Like, I see a lot of glitter from her horn, from her little horn. That's a lot of glitter. Okay, I'm just gonna put this together. So we're gonna roll this up in a ball. Let's see if this will work. No, just gonna spread. Okay, now let's try to put her on. I think it works. First, do it my way, girlfriend. It has her footprints in it. I can like mark her footprints. Okay, now we're gonna put it back on her glasses because they keep falling off. I'm really happy with what I got. I'm really thankful for what I got. Guys, she has heart's eyes. I'm gonna try to pick the thing up. Well, I can pick it up. I think I can pick it up. Okay. I want to see a close up. Look how I look. But my favorite thing about her is her shoes, her necklace, and her eyes. They have a heart in it, and her eye are blue. They're blue. I like all of it. But those are my favorite ones, and especially the putty too. It smells so good. If you guys like it, comment down below. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you guys turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.